Welcome to our story class. Today, let's learn chapter 1 from the NCERT book, A Pact with the Sun for class 6. I know everyone likes to listen stories. Here we have a story, A Tale of Two Birds. This is a story of a mother bird and her two young ones. Once, long ago, there lived a mother bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. They had a nest in a tall, shady tree. Their mother bird loved them very much and took care of them day and night. You know, all mothers are very fond of their children. One day, there was a big storm, thunder, lightning and heavy rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall tree and the nest came down. A big heavy branch of a tree hit the nest, and alas, the mother bird was killed by it. What a pity! She was her only support. Poor birds, what they will do? Fortunately, the luck was with them. The strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. Do you know robbers? They will kill others, break into homes, steal valuable or loot. Anyway, robbers are very dangerous. What will happen to our baby bird? We don't know. No idea. What happened to the other bird? The other landed outside a Rishi's ashram. The meaning of Rishi is gift of God. Here, Rishi means a sage or saint. Days passed and the baby birds become big birds. One day, the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and roared after it. It ran deep into the forest. Our king followed it. Oh my God! Our king lost his way. What to do? He didn't know where he was. Now he is in the other side of the forest. He became very tired after a long journey. He got off his horse and sat down under a tree that stood near a cave. Suddenly, he heard a voice cry out, "Quick, hurry up! There is someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry! Otherwise he will slip away." The king was surprised and amazed. He looked up. What did he see there? A big brown bird was sitting in the tree. He also heard a feeble noise issuing from the cave. He quickly rode away from there as fast as he could. See, he's riding. Can you hear the voice? At last, he reached in an ashram of Rishi. He tied his horse nearby the tree and sat down under the shade. Suddenly, he heard a gentle voice. "Welcome to the ashram, sir. Please go inside and take rest. The Rishi will be back soon. There is some cold water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable." The king looked up. He saw a big brown bird in the tree. He was amazed. "This one looks like the other bird outside the cave," he said to himself loudly. "You are right, sir," the bird answered, and he continued. "The other bird is my brother, but unfortunately, he has made friends with robbers. So he talks how robbers talk. He doesn't talk to me anymore." The boar became very sad. Just then, the Rishi entered the ashram. He greeted the king and told, "Please get inside and make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while. Then you can share my food." Maybe our king expected burgers, pizza, barbecue, french fries. No. No way. There will be vegetables, only fruits or honey. Anyway, our king became very happy. He told to Rishi about his experience with the two birds and how each had behaved so differently. Though as they look alike, the forest is full of surprises. Rishi smiled and said, "One is known by the company one keeps." The first bird always heard the talk of robbers, so he imitates them and talks like them. But the other bird always had none, so he welcomes people to the ashram. Come inside and rest. I'll tell you more about this place and two birds. Dearies, can you imagine? What will the Rishi share to king about the birds? Maybe he said. This is the live example of how the circumstances and friendship shape the characteristic of young birds. Our family atmosphere and friendship influence us for our character formation. So the moral of the story is, one is known by the company one keeps. So, I think you like this story. This is the time to wind up. See you soon.